Watch this video and learn how to draw Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. Later in the show, Artie gets a call from his friend, Mr. Monster. And watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hi, Artie. How are you? Oh, Artie. Artie.
Oh, hello, little artist. Artie didn't see you there.
Are you ready to make some art?
Yeah.
A drawing?
Oh, yes. Artie's going to do a drawing today.
Awesome. Go and get your paper ready.
Yeah. Okay. Woohoo!
How wonderful to see everyone today!
It sure is. Thanks for coming back.
What should we draw, Artie?
I don't know what to draw.
You don't have any ideas?
Can you help Artie, please?
Okay, how about we draw one of your favourite characters, Stitch?
Yeah. Let's do that.
Okay, come on then.
Idea. Great.
Get ready to draw with my favorite artist, Artie!
Let's start by drawing a medium-sized circle right in the middle of the page. You can draw it in sections because sometimes it's difficult to draw a circle in one go. That's it, Artie. Take your time, work around, and eventually you'll have a full circle. Just one more section to draw. And now we have Stitch's nose. Let's start drawing the left eye. This is going to be an oval shape. Do you want to watch Lilo and Stitch later, Artie?
Oh, yes, please.
Well, after we finish this drawing, we'll watch them.
Yeah. Artie's excited.
That's it, Artie. That's a really nice oval shape. Now draw a circle in the top section. That's it. Now let's do the same on the right side. Another oval shape. Try and make it about the same size as the one you drew on the left. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then don't forget, we're going to draw a little circle inside towards the top. Oh, this is looking good.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thank you, Bunny. Now let's draw Stitch's mouth, a wavy line underneath the nose. And let's add a curved line above the nose and another one above that.
This looks great, but I can't tell what it is yet.
Now let's draw a sort of C shape in between the eye and the nose on the right side. And then on the left side, a back to front C shape in between the left eye and the nose. Let's add a couple of little eyebrows, just little curve shapes above the eyes at the top.
Oh, someone's calling. Felt time. Yippee! Felt time. Felt time. Felt time. Hello, Mr. Monster. What's up?
Hiya, Artie. I was just thinking, do you know what today is?
Is it Draw Something Fun Day?
Nope. Try again.
Oh, I know. It's Eat a Giant Banana Split Day.
No, it's Give Someone a Compliment Day.
Oh, well, Mr. Monster, you have the coolest shade of red I've ever seen.
Thanks, Artie. You know, I have to eat just the right amount of tomatoes every single day to keep this shade of red. Oh, and Artie, You have the brightest smile I have ever seen. It's as bright as a very sunny day.
Thanks, Mr. Monster. You know, smiles are like little hugs for our hearts.
Exactly. So let's spread some more. Kids watching at home, tell someone you love something awesome about them. I bet it'll make them smile.
Great idea, Mr. Monster. And remember, every day can be give someone a compliment day.
Artie, you are so right. Oh, I'm gonna go tell my goldfish she is the best swimmer I know.
Okay, bye, Mr. Monster. Bye.
Bye, Artie. Bye, friends. Hey, Swimmy, you go, girl.
Very funny.
Oh, that Mr. Monster, he's so funny, Artie. Keep watching, because Artie's going to learn all about cubes in a cartoon. Now let's draw Stitch's head. We're going to draw a sort of squished oval shape all around the nose and the eyes. Don't forget that tuft of hair at the top in the middle. Now add the right cheek. Very good. And then let's connect the two cheeks together across the bottom, giving Stitch a nice chin.
Hi, Artie.
Hi, Bunny.
Hi. Oh, wow, look at that. You have such a steady paw. I mean hand.
Yeah, cool.
All right, well, hop to it.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay, Artie, it's time to add Stitch's big, long ears. They're a little bit like rabbit's ears. They go all the way up and then all the way around with a little notch cut out and then a curved bottom. That's the perfect Stitch ear shape. Now let's draw Stitch's left ear. Try and do roughly the same shape and about the same size, but don't forget that little cutout that Stitch has in his left ear towards the top. There it is. Perfect. This is looking good.
Ooh, cartoon break, cartoon break, cartoon break, cartoon break. Let's have a cartoon
I
break.
assume you want a cartoon break?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yay! Cartoon break, cartoon break. Yeah.
Artie, let's go and find some things that are the shape of a cube.
Artie loves shapes. A cube toy. A cube box. A cube gift. A Rubik Cube puzzle. Artie found cubes. Oh, that was a really good cartoon break.
It was great.
Yeah,
Should we carry on with the drawing?
yeah.
Come on then.
Okay.
Let's add Stitch's body. We'll start with his little hands or paws. First the left paw, some little fingers, and then the rest of the arm. Now let's draw the right one. Same thing again. A few little fingers, the rest of the hand, and a little bit of the arm. Very good, Artie.
Wow, that's a really swell drawing, Artie. It makes me want to sing.
Thank you, Barry. We'll call you, don't call us. Now let's give Stitch some sides to his body. First of all, the right side, and then the left side. Really simple. Let's draw a straight line going all the way across the page, as if Stitch is peeking over a little wall. Wow, Artie, this looks great. You know what? I think you're probably finished.
I finished.
I thought so. It looks great, Artie.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
I like it. But It needs color.
It does.
Color it in.
Let's do it.
It's time to color in.
All done. Oh,
It looks great.
yeah.
Are you happy with how it came out?
Oh, it came out so good.
Are you happy?
Artie's really happy.
Oh, good.
Artie, can't wait till tomorrow. Can't wait to see what you come up with.
See you later, Artie.
That was so much fun. Thank you for watching. Have an Artie day.